This is the world's first 12-volt platform cordless planer, and this is the world's first 12-volt platform cordless router. Now these are both really lightweight, great tools to use when you're doing some woodworking stuff. So they do make a little bit of a mess. The best part of the program today is we're going to show you something that really sucks, in a good way, to help you clean up all this stuff. As we've said many times, cordless tools are the rage, and they're really good to work with these days for a lot of different reasons, and this cordless planer from Bosch is one really good example. Now this thing is lightweight. It's got about a 2.2 inch planing width to deal with, which is really good for most door edges, for example, if that's what you're up to. There's plenty of power on this thing for whatever you want to do, pretty much. It'll deal with hardwoods, and you can plane up to about 33 feet of 1 inch wide wood at a depth of about 4/100ths of an inch. So there's a lot of power in this thing, a lot of run time. At 33 feet at 4 amp hours comes out to about 132 feet of planing, so you've got plenty of power there, and of course if you've got an extra battery you can do even more than that. But anyway, it's a great little tool, very lightweight, very convenient to use for those planing jobs that you've got. Check it out at Toolbarn.com. Bosch has also come out with this router on a 12-volt battery platform, and I'll tell you, this thing is really nice. It's very lightweight. It's got about 13,000 RPM, so it's got good power to do what you want to do. It will round over edges on about 23 feet of wood with a per amp hour. So if you got a 4 amp hour battery, you get about 92 feet of round over capacity with this thing. It's very lightweight, very convenient, very maneuverable. It's a great little tool if you've got a use for something like this. Check it out on Toolbarn.com. So look, routers and planers do a great deal to help your projects look a lot better. However, they can also generate a lot of this stuff, wood shaving, sawdust, all that kind of stuff. And you're going to want to clean that up after you're done routing and planing and all that kind of stuff. And Bosch has an answer for you there too with this 18-volt cordless vacuum cleaner. It's a wet-dry vac. It's got a lot of power to it. It moves 51 cubic feet of air per minute. It's got a canister of over 2 gallons capacity, HEPA filter that'll pick up 99.97% of all that little tiny particulate stuff that you really do have to get cleaned up. Just show you how this thing works. It'll run for about 24 minutes on a 6 amp hour battery. That's about 4 minutes per amp hour in the batteries. So it's got a lot of versatility to it and a lot of usability to it. I would advise you to take a look at it on Toolbarn.com. Very handy, very convenient. And we've got all these other Bosch tools and a lot of other stuff on Toolbarn.com, so check it out. Thanks for being with us.